Hi, in this video we will just understand about the 1 cup of alcohol in a day is good or bad. So according to me as a biological teacher, I will explain about what is the harmful effect and what is the good effect. So basically the alcohol basically is the little amount of alcohol is not that bad as much as when you will drink more chronic alcoholism. So why 1 cup is harmful? So let's begin to understand. So the alcohol is the type of addiction. So when you will take 1 cup of alcohol, it doesn't mean you are just drinking 1 cup, but it is the drug, and drug will produce the dopamine, and this dopamine increasing strategy will decrease when you will not drink drug, but when you will not drink alcohol. But again the dopamine level on the range of that position when the previously we had drunk that alcohol. So basically that is previously we will drunk, and we had drunk, and next level you should increase the level of amount of the alcohol. So that is basically the increasing of the alcohol for production of dopamine and increasing happiness. So that is why you are going to increase the alcohol. So in this way, when you are thinking about the 1 cup in a day is good, but it is not good. So according to me, that is not good, because you will going to increase for that position, to increase that position which that was a previous position for increase the level of dopamine. So again the level of dopamine increase through more amount add in a cup. So in this way the alcohol will increase to lead to more addiction, and that addiction will lead to damage your liver and damage your even whole body. So that is why alcohol is totally bad. And if you are just understanding that, so if you are drinking alcohol, so it is basically destruction. So it is destroying your health. So health will not good, so you will not survive in the environment. So that is why alcohol basically according to me is totally bad. And even every type of addiction we will discuss in the next video. So the chain addiction will occur due to the 1 cup of alcohol will lead to increase and increase again and again, more and more, and that's increasing the level of alcohol will lead to cause the chronic alcohol addiction, which that's chronic alcohol addiction means the again and again and increase more and more alcohol. So that is why, so it is not normal and it is totally bad. So I hope you make sense about this. Please make sure to subscribe my channel, and I am making about the biological video animation, so you can watch that and learn a lot of biological concepts as biomedical sciences, biochemistry and physiology. So thanks for watching. Bye.